Hello, my name is Brandy Bernardi, and this is my Trello board for the Bell Family Medical Practice. I have 5 different columns here. They are labeled patients, doctors, receptionists, nurses, and then other user stories. And the reason I labeled them the way I did is one, because I saw that my classmates were labeling the columns based on the type of user for each story. So, and also because the column name relates to the role that the story is written for. So for patients, doctors, and then the last column is other user stories because there's some stories in there for accountants, someone in the billing department, and then just a regular employee. So instead of having a column for each of those, I just put them in the other column. And it didn't take me too long to prioritize and estimate the stories. I'd say about 20 minutes it took me. I just went through each one and tried to think to myself how much effort I feel like would be needed for each of these. And then I prioritized them based on what was totally necessary. And I don't have any won't stories for the Moscow because each one that I created is pretty much necessary. Although there are some that are just shoulds, and then we have one could. So the obstacles that I came across was just that I'm not very educated about these exact processes and what goes into like a total software and hardware upgrade. So it was a little bit difficult estimating some of these because I don't really know everything that's involved in the process. But I think overall I got a pretty good idea about it. So just if I had more knowledge about the IT industry and what it actually takes for upgrading the systems, I think that would have made it easier. And what I liked about doing the user stories is just that it gave me a different perspective for the project. It really got me in the mindset of each of these different roles and made me think to myself, okay, what does this person need from this project or this product? What features are they going to be using? What do I need to make sure I include? It's just nice to get a very full, well-rounded picture of the whole project.